And I'm Rockin'.
And together we're
Poppin' Rockin'.
So today we're going to be opening a package from AliExpress. We're not sure what it is, so let's get opening.
Here we have a Louis Vuitton handbag. It's really nice.
It comes with a lock, which is
Made
cool.
in France.
Here's this lock.
Here's the view with the handle.
It seems really nice. It's
The zippers are cool. It's nice.
It's got a pocket inside. It's got some little pocket to put maybe lipstick or something in.
Sounds pretty well.
Yeah. Nice.
Well, closing off, this is another great item from AliExpress. This is Pop, and this is Rockin'.
Thanks for watching.